Hi guys, this is Fred here. Welcome to the channel. It has been long since I uploaded a video, but today we are making silage, and I'm going to take you step by step on how we are going to make silage. Here we have microbes or morapress, yeah, and we are going to use microbes only. The thing is, we want to reduce the cost of making silage without compromising the quality of the silage. So we are only going to use the microbes. I have corn, and I also have a little bit of super napier there, and I have been shredding. I use the chaff cutter to cut it into pieces, and this is the bag. These are boxes that are made that we are going to be keeping our silage. As you can see, we need a drum of water. This we are going to roll inside there so that we can compact and reduce as much air as possible. You also need polythene paper like these ones, and you can find them on your nearest hardware. You can buy this. Just it was a roll, but we have just cut into pieces so that it can cater for the entire press. So the thing that you need, currently we are just using microbes only. We are not going to use molasses because we are using corn, and corn has a lot of sugar in it, and we cut at the right stage or the milk stage. So we are going to use only the microbes only. We are not going to even use molasses or any other added additive. So what is the ratio that we are going to use? So for every liter of microbes, you are going to use a 20 jerrycan of water. So 1 liter of microbes goes with 20 liters of water, and then you mix it well. Yeah, so you mix it well so that it can be well thoroughly mixed. After that, we are going to water to our feet here, and then we compact. Yeah, after a level we compact. We keep on compacting until it is full. So let's take you the process, and I hope you will learn one or two for those who have not learned about how to make silage. So watch around as we do this. So this is how we compact. Yeah, you use a drum full of water. That's like 250 liters of water. Very, very heavy. Yeah, you make sure that all air is out. Yeah, because once you have air, it will start decomposing, and that's the last thing that we don't want any decomposition taking place. We just want fermentation, to make our silage quality silage. Yeah, you can add other concentrate like soluble concentrate like porad. You can use mineral salts, but for our case we are just using microbes only. Microbes only. As you can see, this is what we call process of compacting. Yeah, you totally flatten the area so that you can make sure that all things go as planned. Yeah, and after you have done that, you have to make sure that the edges, you compress the edges using, you can use your feet, yeah, to do so. Yeah, so that is what we call compacting. So we are finalizing the process of making silage, and all we need is just searing, as you can see, while compaction, and then sealing. So on top you are going to use sand, soil, as you can see there, and also we have sacks of sawdust that we are going to put on top so that we can apply maximum pressure on our silage. So it have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 6 inches. That is 30 inches. Now we are sealing. Mm. Mm. Pressure. Mm. Well, we have come to the end of process of making silage, and I hope you have learned something. So this is the end product, and after insiding everything, we have put pressure using soil and some sacks of sawdust. So let me repeat. To summarize, you have to cut the corn maize at the right stage. You have to compact it well. You have to use silage inoculant. You can use microbes. You can use other from different companies. You can even use molasses. But for our case, we have just used microbes, Mora Plus microbes. And let's see the results within some few weeks. I'll be giving you an update on what have been happening and how the silage went. So Thank you for watching to this far. And if this channel is of value to you, consider subscribing, like and share. You can comment, and let's grow this channel and make better dairy farmers. Thank you.
Mhm.